So one of the first Zyto scans I ever got, it came up that I needed lemon oil, and I thought, oh, well, okay, why lemon oil? So I started putting lemon in my water, and prior to that, I had gone to the doctor and was having some kidney issues, and I had gone back to the doctor after using lemon in my water for about 6 months, and they were gone.
So, but what did the Zyto scan tell you on it? Was it like in red or?
Yeah,
was
so
it really high?
this was the compass, so it was a little different, but yeah, it was.
Oh, that's right.
It just showed
right.
those markers out of range.
I got you.
So yeah, now the ones I haven't. Well, I did one recently, but I'm still working on what it's told me. But yeah, there was some. So it was in the red, and it was just basically a weakness in that area of my body.
So what? Okay, so but was it accurate? I mean, were you like, okay,
I think
can
it's
relate.
accurate. I'm working on it right now.
Okay.
So as soon as I picked what that is, I went to my book, my essential oil desk reference book, which is basically the Bible of essential oils, because Gary's got everything in it, and looked up that area and then started working on some additional supplements and oils to support me there.
Okay,
so
cool.
We'll see. I'll do another one in 3 weeks.